Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can put our tweets on Instagram or any other social media platform with black background. Well, regarding the use of social media platforms, everyone has his or her priorities whether how to manage or maintain a specific social media platform professionally, so that a potential visitor can not only stay there a little longer but also has the ability to read through the long articles with ease. And putting tweets on Instagram with black background is one of them, as it gives the visitors the ability to read through the tweets with ease even when the potential visitors haven't turned the dark mode on their devices. And in this tutorial we will see whether how we can put our tweets on Instagram with black background. And here you can see that the display settings of my Twitter app is set to default, which means that it's displaying tweets in black text with white background. And if I wanna see the tweets with black background, all I need is to make some changes in the app display settings, which I can do by selecting display under more and then setting and support. It will open a small pop-up window where you can customize the view of your Twitter app. Here just select the lights out option and then click on done. And here you can see that the view of Twitter app has changed from white to black, and now I can see my tweets in white text with black background. And to put my tweets on Instagram with black background, I can just take images of my tweets. And I've just opened a variety of tweets in different tabs. These tweets include text-based small and long tweets and tweets with link and long image. Here all I need is to zoom in and fit the tweet where I can take an image with reasonable size and quality. And here you can see that both my tweet and Twitter handle can be read quite clearly. Now click on this restore down button of your browser and fit the height and length of your tweet according to your need. And then open snipping tool that comes free with the Windows and take an image by selecting the tweet area and then save it where you can find it conveniently. Now the next tweet is little longer, and to adjust it I can just zoom out a little bit to fit it according to my needs, and so on. Well, tweets with more spaces and bigger images don't fit well on the laptop I'm using for this tutorial, as this is the max display resolution it has. So I'm just zooming this tweet out to adjust it and save it. And here you can see how the tweets look in these images, and certainly the images are of different sizes, and we need to reformat them into uniform image size. Now, just for the sake of convenience, I'm moving them to this folder, and then open your images with Photoshop. And here you can see that all images have been opened in different tabs. Now, first select the eraser tool to erase this ellipsis icon. Then go to the image menu and select canvas size to change the image size according to your need. Then select the zoom tool and click on fit screen. And here you can see that the image size has increased. Now click on this plus sign to create another layer and then drag it down to make it your background layer. Then after selecting this layer, select the paint bucket tool and then click on color to pick the color for your background layer from your tweet image and apply it. Then click on your tweet image layer and select convert to smart object after right clicking on it, and then just press Ctrl+T to select the image and resize it according to your need. Remember, while resizing, keep the shift key on your keyboard pressed, as it will resize the image proportionally. Now here you can see that your tweet has been resized. Now just go to another tweet and press Ctrl+A to select it, and then Ctrl+C to copy it. And after creating another layer, press Ctrl+V to paste it here. And then just turn off the visibility of the previous layer by clicking on this icon. And then just repeat the process to resize this image, and so on. And after resizing, click on File menu and select Save As. And then save all your images after selecting the PNG file format one by one. And here you can see that all the tweets images have been resized with uniformity. Now we can just post them on Instagram or on any other social media platform. Remember, while posting it on Instagram, keep the post ratio 1:1. And this is how your tweets will look like on Instagram. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, sharing your thoughts in the comment section, etc. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.